Yo, what's good with y'all niggas? We back with another video and shit. You know what I'm saying? Today we want to be talking about the 48 Laws of Power. Continue with this series, like I said. Today we want to be talking about Law 3. And Law 3 it states, don't be clear about your intentions. Now, what do we mean by this? I mean, okay, let's look at it right from this standpoint. When you're with a girl, right? Right? There's one you can mess up in any way, right? It's okay. But there's only one thing you should never do. You should never do to a woman. You should never tell her that you like her. You shouldn't tell her that you like her. Because because with relationships like I've said before, it's all about power. It's all about who has the leverage, who has leverage over the other, right? So this one's all about power. When you give the girl the certainty that you like her, you've given her your power in the relationship. Which is why this is why when you tell a girl you like her, 9 times out of 10 they ain't gonna say I like you back. They're gonna be like, okay, you know what I'm saying? Because like the game is over. Once you say I like you, the game is over. There's no more mystery. There's no more of that bullshit now, right? But like, let's bring it back into general life now. You don't tell people what you're gonna do. Never tell people what you're gonna do. If anything, you tell people the opposite of what you're gonna do. That's what you call a smoke screen. Like for example, I know I don't personally follow this law, right? But then I'm trying to apply these laws into my life now, and I know ways on how to apply these things. So, like for example, I not most of the time when I have a goal or something along those lines, I usually like tell a few people that, hey, I'm going to try and get to try and do this, right? Right. Usually, like it be far before I get the goal in, right? So, like for example, I told people I was going to become the deputy in my class, right? Right. People didn't believe in me, right? I didn't tell them I was going to become deputy. Yeah. I told them I was going to become the head boy of my class. People didn't believe me, right? One to later, I'm deputy. You know what I'm saying? So people are like, whoa, what? For real? Now imagine if I just say, bro, I'm not even gonna focus on this school council thing, you know what I'm saying? And I actually got it right. People will be thinking that he didn't even want it and he still got it. This shows like he has something that they know and we should try and look for it in him and try and get it for ourselves. And this is where you get people around. This is how people come to you, draw against you, draw towards you, and now this will give you the power to do whatever you want with them. This is the reason why you should use small screens to get what you want. Say the opposite and do. But now, of course, now you being clear with your intentions from the start has its situations. You know what I'm saying? Like for example, with girls, you don't usually tell. I mean, yes, you don't usually tell them you like them, but it's so clear that you also have to tell them you ain't here for just being friends. You know what I'm saying? Like you know what I'm saying. You tell them like, hey, I'm trying to take you out. You know what I'm saying? Have a good time with you. You know what I'm saying? Have fun. Yeah, you don't tell them you try and clap cheeks. No, you just tell them, hey, I'm just trying to have some fun, take you out. You know what I'm saying? Help you, give you this chance to come into my life. You know what I'm saying? This is what putting your intentions clear. When your intentions are clear from the get go, it gives people no room for bullshit. You know what I'm saying? It gives people no room for bullshit because when people know what you want, they'll know if you do this, what you don't want them to do, you will do something about it. Now it depends now, because if you ain't one of those guys like where when you say something and your words don't have meaning behind them, people will just do what the fuck they want around you. But now if you're like me and then you say, hey, listen, we don't do that over here, people actually listen to you. They're like, okay. okay, well, I won't do this around him. He actually has character. He actually has some balls in him. He actually has balls to get what he wants. Alright, guys, that's another video. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Uh, comment down below what you want next. Any book reviews that you want me to do, anything of the sorts, and any other type of videos. I'm a personal coach. You know what I'm saying? I'm diversifying my content. Holla back at your boy, and never give out your intentions. Shit.